Hi everyone, I'm Rotaract Shri. Today for the LeetCode problem, we are going to be seeing an easy level problem titled Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock. So in this problem, we are given with an array prices, and prices of I represent the price of that stock on a particular day I. So we are allowed to buy that stock once and then sell that stock later once again. But you are allowed to buy the stock on one day and sell it on the other day and not on the same days. So now let's see the input and output. So in the input, an array of days are given, and out of that, we're going to get the output of the day where there is maximum profit. And if there is an output with no profit, then the output should be returned as 0. So now let's see how to solve this problem. So for this problem, I have used C++ to solve it. So first, we are going to initialize a function called as max profit. And in that max profit, we are creating a vector in order to store all those prices within return type of integer. Then we're going to initialize an integer called as by in order to store the first element of the array. This means that we're going to assume by is representing the stock which is bought on the 0th day. Next, we are going to initialize another integer called as profit as 0, and this will store the maximum profit that is found so far. After that, we are creating a for loop which will start from day 1. That is the day we bought the stock. Next, it will check for two conditions. If the price on that particular day is less than the buy, then buy is updated with the price of that particular day. This means that buy will have the lower value than the actual bought value. Second condition is that if the difference between the price on that particular day and the buy is greater than the profit, then profit is updated with that value. So in this, we're going to track two different things, the lowest buy and check if that sell. Today will give us the best profit. And checking for those both conditions, the profit value is returned as the output for this problem. So now let's check the output. On day 2 and day 4, there are two profit, and other there is no change. So day 2 has profit of 4, so that is chosen. And then the second one, there's no profit.